right, it's Thursday, August 13th, 2026. The time is 16:03. The temperature is 65 degrees up here on the Vail Pass summit, I-70 West. The lane closures continue, usually only Monday through Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we'll have a few days off of the lane closures, which is so nice. Traffic's not as bad as last Thursday where it was backed up. I believe it was a pretty long delay last Thursday. This week is a lot better. Maybe it's because school started for a lot of people. But we're moving right along here. Slower moving vehicles can cause delays up to 10 minutes only usually. The lane closures have not been extended, so that's been really nice. Getting some rain this week.